Today we're going to learn about adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. So we're going to start with a refresher with the addition rule, and we're going to use parentheses around negative numbers in order to distinguish the difference. But if we have the same sign, we're going to add and keep the sign. So in this example, we have -2 plus -4. So we add the numbers together to get 6, and we keep the negative sign. If we have a different sign, we're going to subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. So in this example, we have -2 plus 4 equals 2. So we subtract 2 from 4 to get 2, and we keep the sign of 4. So we're going to use a concrete model in order to demonstrate this. So we always start with adding, and we're going to have -5 plus 7. So we're going to have 5 negative tiles plus 7 positive tiles. And according to the additive inverse, the opposites of two numbers equal 0. So in this example, 3 plus -3 equals 0. So for us, that means that we can take each pair and match them up to equal out. And we see what we're left with. So here we're left with 2 positive tiles. So that means that our answer is +2. Now, on to the next one. We have 7 minus 5. So we're going to clear that. And we're going to bring out the subtraction rule. So if we are subtracting, we change it to an addition problem and add the opposite. So keep, change, and then the addition rules apply. So in this example, with 3 minus 4, we change the minus to a positive, and we turn the 4 into its opposite. So we're going to do that with this one as well. So we're going to have 7 plus, so we change the sign, the opposite of 5 is -5. And then we just apply the addition rules. So we're going to have 7 positive and 5 negative. Oops. That is 5. So we're going to do what we did before. So match them up. And see that again we are left with 2 positive tiles. So our answer is going to equal 2. Now we're going to look at example with the double negative. So if we have 5 minus -7, we're going to bring down the 5, and according to the subtraction rule, we're going to change the negative to an addition, and then the opposite of -7 is 7. So we're going to have 5 positive plus, because it's on the positive side, 7 positive, and there's no negatives to cancel it out, so we're just going to add them up, and we should get 12. So we keep the sign of the larger number, but it's